Niagara Falls, New York. It's getting ready to be warm outside. It's going to be so crowded, full of tourists. Right here, Niagara Falls. See the Canadian side, beautiful sun. That's the haunted house. Yeah. Take a ride with the Amoney show train. Get your souvenirs right here. One of the eighth wonder of the world, Niagara Falls. This is the official store. They did a lot of facelifts, you know. So come on to Niagara Falls and enjoy. Enjoy. Niagara Club. Got your tourists out. We going over. We going over. You ready, Berber? Woo! It's popping off. You see that? You see the falls? Yeah, boy. Yeah. No, you can't go in there. Yeah, that's what's up. Many of you don't get to see this at home, but we're in Niagara Falls, New York, Niagara Falls, Ontario. This is the eighth wonder of the world. It's one of the most beautiful sceneries ever in the United States of America.